Chingeso maramiwa ler. Kawadhi nyime tokre miudo simbo lig maduong' mapachoka. Kocha magor mayazer ke Otieno nyiso yie mare ni timno biro timo makare tugo ma final ma League Cup mibiro bawo gi Kodira e paw tuke ma Ulinzi chieng' Jumapil. Ziko geno loche kinde ma gibiro rakore kod Nairobi United ma yudo thuolo ma donje lig maduong' ma bende manyo thuolo ma tugo tuke piem mag klepe mag Afrika.
The pressure here is that also we are facing a team that is known for Kenya, one of the best teams in Kenya, and we know their history. Although now the history won't play for them on this day. I think it's going to be 11 versus 11 out on the pitch, and everyone is going to give out their best.
The league has gone. Now this is the only other cup which is remaining with us. So we have to really come out very strongly and very committed. And we have to try and get the cup on Sunday.